In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. Now, before you do this, make sure you're doing this for a very necessary purpose, right? So, this video I'm making is for educational purpose only. I want to share my thoughts on how you can do some specific things that would help out. Head over to your Discord. These are our Discord accounts. I'm going to show you how you can block this person right now. So, this video, remember, is for educational purpose only. So if you open the person's inbox, you're gonna see the block option, right? And once you block this person, you have restricted him from chatting you, from messaging you, right? A whole lot of other things. So click on the block. Once you have clicked on the block, you can see you cannot send messages to the user you blocked. So this is basically how you can block someone on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.